Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Lacasa Carmelio, Better Lead HE. Today I will be sharing what have I learned about ICT software types and their application. So first is what is the software and why it's important in ICT. Software is a set of interaction and that tells our computer what to do. Without software, computers would be useless. It also allows us to complete tasks from typing documents into editing black videos. And second is how the software act as a bridge between hardware and users. Softwares. And for example, when you click on app software processes your request that tells that hardware what to do. Now let's talk about system. Software manage computer hardware and ensures everything runs smoothly. Example includes operating system like Windows, MacOS or Linux, which is the managed file, apps and memory. Utility software such as an antivirus program which is protect the system from threats, and application software is indifferent because it helps user perform a specific task. For example, Microsoft Word for writing documents and Google Chrome for the browsing the internet and Zoom for online classes. So I use our application softwares every day for studying, attending online classes and doing project. Why is software essential for industrial? Different industrial use of software to meet their needs. For example, school use a learning management system for online education. Business use accounting software to manage finance. No, example is used to health record system for patient data. No, it's a and final is how does software impact my daily life on future career. Software is a part of my life, like from using Google Classroom for assignment to video editing apps for a project like this blog. As a future teacher, I know that using educational software will help me create engaging lesson that manage my class effectively. So my conclusion about this ICT software is inclusion that software plays a vital role in ICT by helping users interact with computers, manage tasks and solve problems. Like learning about software types and applications in essential for my future as an educator. And that's all. Thank you for your watching, guys, and enjoy this vlog. Feel free to like and share and subscribe. Bye.